Hey, what's up, Saber fans? It's your friendly neighborhood Fitz here, doing another lightsaber review video. This is my SaberForge Guardian, as promised, from the last video, which was the Pathfinder for my friend Chris. So I did not do this install. Just laying it out there right now. I had a guy named Joe from Darkside Custom Sabers do the install for me, because I couldn't figure it out for the life of me. The inner diameter of this was before Saberforge redid it. The inner diameter was 0.99 inches, I do believe. And I didn't have a 3D printer, still don't. But he had one of his friends do a custom chassis for it, and he installed a Proffie version 1.5 in it. I provided that. I provided everything except for the chassis, and he was really cool about everything. And Joe, if you're watching this, I know I've been a pain in the ass about Proffie, but I'm learning, so it's a learning curve for me, for sure. This is my first Proffie that I've ever worked with. I've been messing around with it in Arduino for a bit, and so far it's common to me, but I'm still working on some of the kinks that I have. And again, I gotta give Joe a lot of love, a lot of credit, because he set this up for me very nicely. He put some really cool blade styles in there, and he even sent me some really nice stickers. Like, look at that. That's really nice. He also sent me a blade plug for it, because I didn't send my blade plug in. I just sent the hilt and left the blade plug at home because I was having issues with the blade plug. Wasn't until I was able to separate it and then I aligned it the right way. So thank you, Joe, for the stickers and for the spare blade plug. Excuse me. But yeah, let's get into the saber. Of course, the SaberForge Guardian is a loosely based Qui-Gon Jinn version. The shroud is chromed, the anodized black. This switch is a red illuminated switch. There's the blade plug in there. That's the one that I got with this. And the pommel, vented for sound. So this has no kill key, no recharge port, no kill switch. The battery is 100% removable. Eventually I'm going to be ordering another battery, another removable battery from Custom Saber Shop, just so I have a spare. And I configured this to the latest OS, which was version 5.7. And I set it up for my Neopixel blade. And this Neopixel blade is just an experiment. This is an RGBW, so it has that extra diode on there, and it kind of dilutes the blue a little bit, but you know, it is all an experiment. Now I'm gonna welcome suggestions, because I have this little red thumb screw from TCSS. And I remember Shamim, when he did his SaberForge Guardian, I don't know if he epoxied it or super glued the button on the red illuminated switch. Some people are saying, oh, use magnets. Some people are saying just, glue it on or whatever. I will welcome a suggestion for that, but for now I'm going to keep it just like it is until I can find a way to secure this on there so it doesn't move, and I still have the nice accent LED underneath the switch, so it looks really cool. So like I said, this is set up for RGBW. The Shtok Custom Worx PCBs that I have in here with the LEDs on them, unless I have it configured for RGB, then it shows all the colors lighting up, which, isn't a problem. I'm gonna make a regular RGB Neopixel blade when I get the supplies for it. So, yeah. Other than that, let's put the battery in, and I will run through some sound fonts for you guys. Now, here's the chassis. Joe posted a video on that. I'll link it in the description, but I'll re-explain it. So the chassis is a very tight fit. When I put the battery in, you put the battery label down, and you kind of squeeze the chassis a bit and slide it in. And whenever you want to take it out, you pull on the ribbon right here. But you just let when you push it in as much as you can without touching the speaker. Let the ribbon rest inside the pommel. And then screw the pommel and let the pommel do the rest of the work to put it in. So, here we go.
Don't make me kill you!
I just added a Anakin Skywalker Revenge of the Sith sound font to this from Sith. So, that was interesting. I was able to do sound fonts, adding to it. So I'm going to set this up for the Qui-Gon sound font that he put on here.
Feel, don't think. Use your instincts.
Running a 24mm bass speaker. Smooth swing is enabled. And you'll see what I mean in there, like all the colors are showing in the blade plug. So if I take my blade plug out, there it is, and I put my RGBW Neopixel in, we can have some fun. I love the blade style that he put on here, it's really nice. Blaster deflections.
Keep your concentration here and now.
Voice lines.
But Master Yoda said I should be mindful if you would. Not at the expense of the moment. But the little hopes, young Padawan.
I love that ignition. It's real nice. So yeah, I'm gonna move the camera and I'm gonna show off some of the other blade styles from a bit of a further distance. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna truly appreciate the saber. And that's the Qui-Gon again. Darth Vader from episode 3, so. Again. And then voice line.
Do what must be done, Lord Vader. Do not hesitate. Show no mercy.
And of course I got the Youngling screams on here. I think it has stab effects too. I can't seem to get the stab. But it's all a learning process. And all of these have music. I'm just going to show off the next one, which is my favorite soundtrack. So he used Ahsoka on here, and it's a rainbow blade. I'll start up the music for this one because this one's my favorite. It always makes me laugh.
Thank you, we're the Cantina Band. If you have any requests, shout them out. Play that same song. All right, same song. Here we go.
One of my favorites.
Second Sister.
Second Sister, Jedi Fallen Order. And then of course, if I face it down, I can do the color changing on the fly. So now I've got it set to a red. Flame blade. And then it goes off. Up. Yeah. Kylo Ren. Some of the music for it. Electro Blade. Darksaber. But yeah, Joe, like I said, sorry for being a pain in the ass, but I'm in love with the saber. So thank you very much for doing this, and I'll see you guys next time with another install.